comes with a pump. I mean, many people complain, ooh, there's a pump, oh, there's no pump, yada 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 yada. I don't care, to be honest.
Ooh, she loving so well. Ooh, she moving so well. Ooh, she moving so good. Ooh, I'm loving the feel. Stop. Came with a
Guys, happy new year. Welcome and welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, I'm going to test this new product. Well, it's new to me. It came out maybe 2 years ago, 3 years ago. So yeah, but it's my first time. I bought this 2 weeks ago, last year. Last year. So yeah, about 2 weeks ago, I got this product, and I also got this the new lemonade eyeshadow palette, and I'm gonna try that, and I'm also gonna try the new mascara. So yeah, it might not be new to you, it's new to me. I'm gonna try some of my old Maybelline products, and I'm gonna also review this two product because this was like everybody was just so hyped about this product. So yeah, and I have acne skin, and many people claim that this foundation actually do cover your acne and dark spots and blemishes, and you can name all of it. So for this tutorial or demo, I'm just going to try to just use only Maybelline products. So to prime my face, I'm going to use the Baby Skin Instant Pore Eraser from Maybelline. Use like a small pump. I'm just going to put it on my T-zone area where I normally tend to get really oily, literally. So it comes with a pump. So yeah, I'm just going to dab it in my hand. Yeah, so it's not so thick, but it's not also liquidy. This is the only darker shade I could get. Yeah, I'm gonna use my fluffy soft spongy from Glamour Cosmetics. I really like this. Just blends everything nicely. I'm gonna put the link down below should you want to purchase. And I'm just using the dab motions. You don't wanna do this. You're just gonna waste the product. When you're applying your foundation, you must always just dab and press to make sure it's really covering. And I can say the coverage is pretty amazing, but it's just really reddish and a little bit darker than my normal skin tone. And I've heard some people say that it oxidizes. So I'm pretty sure during the course of the day it's going to be pretty dark. I'm a petite person with a very pretty big face and chubby cheeks. So yeah, some people think I'm fat until they see me. This is just one layer. It really covers my dark spot and really makes my skin flawless. So I don't know if you can see this on camera, but there's like super minimal. This I get this coverage when I'm using other foundation, when I apply a second layer, but with this first layer you can like barely see the dark spot around my cheek. So I'm just going to use another second layer to just cover here. I'm not going to put this all over my face. I'm just going to dab it and make sure it really covers. I'm really super impressed, and this sponge does an amazing job with applying. So as you guys know, I really like putting foundation first before I can do my eyebrows and my eyeshadow, because I just believe foundation is the base of all things. So this is how the concealer look. I got shade 1110 Instant Anti-Age Eraser.
ooh, look at the move. Ooh, she shaking so well. Ooh, I'm loving the push. Ooh, she loving so well. Ooh, she moving so well. Ooh, she moving so good. Ooh, I'm loving the feel.
Ooh, it burns a little bit. There's like a tingling sensation that on my hair. But it really blends in nicely. Just gonna take the concealer all over my eyelid as well. Wow. So I'm gonna use the Master Fix Loose powder. I really love this powder from Maybelline. It's almost finished. It's running out.
Ooh, I'm loving the feel. Stop. Came with a friend, she don't dance. I just been looking for less. Open the mind that you're trying to finesse. I'm in for the baggage, you're carrying the heart.
And for my eyebrows, I'm gonna use this brow satin. It's also from Maybelline. So I'm gonna do my brows off camera. So I'm just gonna go ahead and try this lemonade. So I'm gonna go with my creasing brush from the Real Technique, and I'm gonna go with Old Fashioned shade. This shade right here, it says Old Fashioned. That right here. Okay. The pigmentation is good. It's good. And I'm gonna just strip it. I'm just starting from the outer corner and then working it inside like that. I'm going to strip it on my lower lashes as well. And I'm gonna go with this lemonade craze. Lemonade craze. I'm just gonna go with that, and I'm gonna put it just right on top of my crease. And then I'm gonna take sugar coated. Wow, I like sugar coated. Yes, sugar. It's like a metal bronze, and I'm here for it. I'm gonna go again with the Old Fashioned to just, I'm gonna want to crease again. And I'm gonna take this blending brush from Glamour Cosmetic and just, just blend in the top section. So my camera decided to be my camera again, while I'm filming. But I used the strawberry lemonade for my inner corner. So I'm just going to wipe my setting powder. So I'm going to use this Maybelline powder, Clear Smooth All-in-One powder. It's in the shade Mocha. So I'm going to use this one as a bronzer because, you know, all the bronzing powder that they make is actually even lighter than my skin tone. So yeah, so this powder is like the darkest one, so I use this as a bronzer. Can you see? It actually works. I'm going to pinch it like this and use it to contour my nose as well. I mean, you can use other smaller brushes if you feel like so, but me, I just don't want to waste. So use Master Ink eyeliner in black. I'm going to use this to line my wing line. Eee.
Loving the push. Ooh, she loving so well. Ooh, she moving so well. Ooh, she moving so good.
And so I'm also going to do my eyelashes off camera. So I'm going to go with this, the new Maybelline Lash Sensational Luscious with oil blend. Contains some oil to keep your lashes from drying out. I'm just going to put this on my lower lashes. So I'm going to use this Maybelline Blush Peach Pop. I'm just going to put it on my cheekbone. I'm just doing like a smiley thingy. And for my lips, I'm going to mix those two lippies. I'm going to mix the Color Show in Nude Mocha. And I'm going to mix my Color Sensational in tantalizing taupe. So I'm going to use this as an as a lip liner. This is like an amazing trick to use if you don't have a lip liner, like a specific one that you're looking for, and then you have it in a lipstick color. You can use it as a lip liner. That's what I do. And then I'm going to use the light one in the center, like to create that ombre nude look. This is not a Maybelline product, but this is from Lancome. It's Gloss in Love. I'm just going to use it as a glossy to have the glossy effect because I love gloss. And yeah. So there is the final look. Overall, I really love the foundation and I really love the coverage, and I'm super impressed with the concealer. I think I'm going to be using this concealer quite often. And to talk about this palette, I'm really not crazy. It's good, but to me it's like there is some that I like, some that I do not like. And the pigmentation is so and so. I'm not crazy like ooh pigmentation, really not, because you have to reapply. And I do not like the presentation or the setups of the eyeshadow, the way it's placed, because when you're working with one product, the other one can easily transfer to the other. And that's not like, I will show you the old burgundy that I have from Maybelline. My son broke the tube, but at least you can see it's easy to work with when you're working with other products compared to this one here. The way it's set, it's actually I'm not a fan. And the shimmery ones really applies great and it's really super, but the matte one is not bad, it's good. And I think it's about 249 rand. Is it value for that money? No, absolutely not. But it's a good to work with. I mean, yeah, whatever. And I really love this blush. And the blush is great. It's a little bit light for my complexion, but it's not bad. It's I love it. I love it. Oh, I'm crazy about this. I love this. Maybelline's with mascara I like #1. You can never go wrong if you want to buy a mascara from Maybelline. I will give like a 2 thumbs up plus my big toes up as well, because they are super amazing when it comes to mascara. And with this eyeliner, the Master Ink eyeliner, it's really good. And this thingy, the applicator, it's really great to work with. If you just want a tiny wing line, it's easy. You can go big, you can go tiny, but you just have to be very quick when you're working with this eyeliner. It dries up and becomes messy, and you can't do anything about it. And the brow pencil, it's really nice. And it's my birthday month, so if you want to give me a gift, all you have to do is share this video on your social media platforms and let other people watch it also. Share the link. There's a share button somewhere. It's like an arrow like this. You just click on that and share, and that's the best birthday gift that you can ever give me, like literally. Thank you so much, and there will be next video somewhere here or somewhere here for you to click while you're at it, while you're watching. Why not watch another video? I love you guys, and thank you for tuning in, and let me know what you think about these Maybelline products, and I'll see you guys next time. I love you.